Jon Dao, the conversation coach here. Time for another quick question. And today's quick question is, how do I get better at small talk? So let's jump straight into this. Calm down, let's talk. Just gonna adjust this right here. Own personal preference. Before we get into addressing this question directly, I think it's helpful to define what does small talk mean. And for me, small talk is like when you're in the elevator and you're just trying to chat somebody up. Oh man, the summer's really hot, right? Or how's your weekend? Or what have you been up to lately? Fairly innocuous, very low stakes, pretty empty conversation. And I understand the appeal for some people who are very uncomfortable when the room is open to anything. When there's not a fixated right or wrong, there's not a clear right or wrong direction that things can go. Having so many options can be crippling for them. So in their minds, when they think, oh, you know what, to be more social, to be more communicative, to show people that I have good speaking skills, I got to get better at small talk. I don't think that's the best use of your time, because to me, small talk is pointless. For every single person that seems to like small talk, there's so many other people who hate it. And in a lot of ways, you're oversimplifying the problem. You think that once you get good at small talk, that means that you're going to become more friendly, you're going to become more sociable, you're going to be able to connect with other people. But that's the wrong way to go about it. Because if you can focus your direction, like even a basic compliment, hey, where'd you get that shirt? If you don't give a shit, if you don't care, like that conversation is not going to go very far, even if the setup is okay for small talk. If you want to figure out where they got that shirt because you really like it and you want to buy something similar for yourself, for a friend, maybe you're just trying to find recommendations on where to shop because you're new to the area, that's a much better direction for you. But that goes beyond just small talk because you have more purpose and intention behind it. So don't over glorify small talk. We'll stop this here. Let's make this just a part one, because small talk is not the ticket to your success, and it's not going to pay off. It's not going to make you feel good like you think it will. So agree, disagree, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, share with your friends. And if you have a follow-up, you want to ask me another a question, you can tweet me at CommDao, 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 let's talk.